So I'm Vince with Go Green Maintenance and Repair, gogreenguy.net. We just got a delivery of a 5-ton Pioneer central split. This is the air handler and coil. This is a heat pump. This is one of two parts. I'll show you the other part in a minute, but just received it from RL Carriers. Came on a nice pallet. That was our footprint. This was on top with straps. Packaging is awesome. You look around, no damage. Real nice. So this box was on here along with our heat pump, which is absolutely awesome. Love it. Love the Pioneer product. So this is what we have now. This is a very old Frigidaire R22 unit. You can see it's rusting. It's got the old big boy compressor. I don't know if you can see that in there. But here's our new unit. Ooh, sexy, isn't it? It's 18.5, 19 SEER. Has the DC inverter, 2-stage variable fans, heated seats, AC seats, whatever you heated steering wheel. It's got everything. This is nice. You can see it has a nice coating on the coils. It's got that little gold hue to it. And just look at the comparison just side by side. I mean, if you just look this way, this is about a foot. So that's my hand. So that's about a foot wide. A little on the tall side. It's probably about 5 foot or so, a little under 5 foot. But it's super slim. It's going to take up, look at that. That's almost a third of the width of this. So we're going to get rid of this. Cut it out. It's still good. I'll probably try to get rid of it on Facebook Marketplace if anybody's interested in buying it. We'll suck the refrigerant back into it or recover all the refrigerant and reuse it somewhere else, maybe. And yeah, that's going to take the place of this. This is a 4-ton unit and this is a 5-tonner. So we finished some more space in the house that we want to condition, and this is going to get the job done. We're excited. We use a lot of Pioneer products right there. Pioneer. People can make jokes and say they make stereo equipment or whatever, but I love the product. It works great. We have plenty of units in service as of right now. Our oldest one is probably 6 years in. Here's the box that it came in here. Again, great packaging. It had the bands, 3 bands over under the skid and over top of the foam. See those bands there? Plastic packaging over top. No damage, no scuffs on the box, nothing. Look at that. Really nice. Nice packaging. You know, you can tell that they don't want any damaged units coming back. So this pallet here with the heat pump was on the big pallet, which really eliminates a lot of damage. That was on here, along with the air handler next to it. So the skid's obviously much bigger than, you know, the equipment itself, so it definitely saves it from getting bumped and damaged and whatnot. So these two pieces were together on here, and then it was wrapped with the cellophane there. And again, this package here, this had the straps on it, 3 straps. Really good packaging. I mean, this stuff's packaged better than some of the other equipment that I've installed. I don't want to mention no names, but God, they barely even put cardboard on the exterior on some of these. They just wrapped them. This I haven't opened yet, but let's just give it. Let's just pop the top on it. Let's see what we got. Nice staples in there, tape. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Look at this packaging. This is incredible. Look at this. Wood. I mean, look at that. And foam. Look at this. Multiple layers of corrugated cardboard on the corners. Look at that. Like I said, no dings, dents, or anything on the box. These guys always get a thumbs up from me, no matter what. Pioneer, we love them. We represent them. We install them. It's a great product. And don't listen to the naysayers. They got a good quality product, great packaging, great availability, fantastic shipping. Shout out to RL Carriers. They're awesome. And Parker Davis is another one. So that's who we do our ordering from. Parker Davis in Florida. You can visit Pioneer's website and you can check out all of their other products. The other products that we love are the ducted mini splits. Those things are phenomenal. We use them for small units. We can conceal them in the ceiling with access. Very small footprint. The height of it is probably like 8 or 9 or maybe 10 inches tops. Again, we have those units installed at quite a few places. And you know what? As a matter of fact, let's come over here. Because tomorrow we have another install. How's that? And it happens to be, ta-da! There it is, another Pioneer unit. This is a Pioneer 2-ton mini split. There you go, right there. It's being installed tomorrow. We got our disconnect all ready to go. We got our brackets. And what's fantastic about this is this packaging is going to come with remotes. It's going to come with 16-foot of line set. It's going to come with your DC control wiring for the interior unit. It's going to come with condensate piping. I mean, these units are out the door, packaged. Look at this. And then you buy the accessories separately. You know, you can get a disconnect. In this case, we put surge protectors on all our equipment that we install, especially the mini splits. Anything that has to do with inverters, we're installing these surge protectors just to make sure, you know, we don't have a lot of electrical spikes and stuff like that, because we do have power outages in this area. There you go. There's our surge protector. These are also available through Pioneer. You can get electrical whips through them, whatever you need. So that's it. We got all kinds of Pioneer. We love Pioneer. The price point is fantastic. Packaging is phenomenal. The performance is awesome. Efficiency is high. SEER ratings are high. Very quiet. You absolutely cannot beat Pioneer for the price point, quality, packaging. If I can give them 10 stars, I would. So we're going to continue to buy from them. I actually have another system that we're going to be installing, 18,000 BTU mini split system, which is similar to the one in the truck, slightly smaller. I actually got to get on the horn with these guys now and order that. So that's where we're at. We love their product. We support their product. Fantastic. They do a wonderful job. Even their technical support, they get right on the phone and they tell us what we need to know. Hope this helps with your picking or choosing of AC, mini splits, air conditioners, ducted mini splits, whatever it is. Pioneer's got you covered.